These are Vanessa's shoes.
But seriously,
Fuck you. Okay.
I don't want to, but.
Okay. So this is
Then why are you?
What exactly is this? Grant.
What time do you go to bed?
Grant.
It's something to put on the furniture to.
I'm really tired.
So the
so I
dogs
didn't
aren't
sleep
too
last
long.
night.
All right,
Just
roughly
stay
10
here, you
o'clock.
fucking pussy.
Roughly 10
Jesus.
o'clock, right?
I'm gonna throw shit at you.
If you go home at 5, you still have 5 hours to do all the shit that you need to do.
Yeah.
Don't leave, Brad.
I'm gonna twist your nipples off.
You will not.
Do I do it now?
Okay.
You will not.
Yeah, just do it. I'll do it.
Okay, okay, go. Wait, hold on. Okay, go. Go, go,
They
go.
don't throw up, dude.
Just do it, just do it.
Do more than one.
Aw, great.
That was 8.
What the
Oh,
hell?
shit, it's so bad.
What does it taste like?
I told you I'm not gonna kiss you.
Ew, nah.